Hello dear traders, you are watching weekly stock market review on InstaForex TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. The US stock market rose on Friday as investors looked past a point earnings report, instead focusing on a partial US government shutdown solution. President Donald Trump announced that he reached a continuing resolution deal with Congress to reopen the US government. The Nasdaq Composite Index climbed to 7,164.86 with a weekly rise of 0.1%. The Nasdaq Composite moved higher as constituent Starbucks gain on strong earnings. The Dow Jones rose to 24,733.20. The blue chip index was up by 0.1% for the week, extending gains for a fifth week in a row. The S&P 500 also moved higher to 2,664.76, down by 0.2% on the week. Optimism over an upbeat so far earnings season drove the market. Potentially more important than the positive fourth quarter earnings were a series of upbeat conference calls where corporate executives expressed optimism for their business in 2019. A prime example was Western Digital, shares of which fell in after-hours trading following earnings misses, but rallied by more than 6% on Friday, after its management said it expected revenue to rise in the second half of 2019. Additionally, two other themes aided positive sentiment to Friday's trading: Federal Reserve monetary policy and trade negotiations with China. Expectations that the Federal Reserve will take a much more dovish stance in 2019 than previously thought gave a boost to stocks. In corporate news, Intel shares fell by 5.5% after it broke ranks with an upbeat string of tech earnings last week, posting a revenue miss and a weak outlook. Starbucks shares rose by 3.6% after an earnings beat and management optimism around its China business. You have watched weekly stock market review on InstaForex TV channel. See you later.